Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Weber grill enthusiasts. The Yilador 22-1/2-inch one-touch cleaning system kit. If you're looking to breathe new life into your Weber grill, stay tuned because this might just be the best replacement part you've been searching for. This cleaning system kit is designed specifically for 22-inch Weber charcoal grills, including models like the Master Touch and Performer series. It's built to replace the standard ash cleaning mechanisms, offering enhanced durability and functionality.
The one-touch ash cleaning mechanism simplifies the cleaning process, allowing you to rotate it effortlessly without needing to remove the grill grates. Made from high-quality metal, it's thicker and more heat-resistant than standard components, ensuring longevity and reliability.
With clear instructions and all necessary hardware included, you can have this system up and running in just 10 minutes. It also serves as a venting system, regulating airflow to enhance heat control and cooking efficiency. Users have raved about the difference this kit makes in their grilling experience.
Enhanced longevity. By keeping your grill clean and well-maintained, it extends the lifespan of your Weber, saving you money in the long run. Satisfaction guaranteed. Backed by positive reviews and being Amazon's choice, you can be confident in its quality and performance. So, if you're ready to take your grilling game to the next level, consider upgrading with the Yilador 22-1/2-inch one-touch cleaning system kit. It's the best Weber grill parts replacement out there for good reason: sturdy, efficient, and easy to install.
Check out the link in the description to get yours today.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.